our dearest Kibi. Happy 18th birthday, darling. Wishing you all the very best, especially in the new chapter of your life in the Philippines. And yay, finally legal. Enjoy the ride, Baba, and remember always, you're beautiful and unique in your own way. Love you, Hips. Enjoy your night. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Ate KB. We love you.
We miss
Bing.
you.
The Bing. Happy birthday once again, Bing. Ang kapayapaan, pag-ibig ng ating buhay na Panginoon. Naway patuloy yung makamit at ingat kayo dyan. Ingatan kayo ng Lord. Mahal kayo ng Panginoon. We love you, Bing. Mwah, 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 mwah.
I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kibi, it's Kikai. I wish you a happy 18th birthday and I only wish the best for wherever life takes you after this special day. I also wish for good health and fortune and make as many memories in the Philippines as you can.
Kibi, it's your cousin RJ, and I want to wish you a happy 18th birthday and good luck in your new life in the Philippines.
Hi KB, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, KB.
We wish you the most happiest 18. You're old now.
Happy legal day. Happy legal.
Try not to get arrested and take care of the Philippines.
Yo, what's good, bro? Happy late birthday. Take care in Philippines there. I'm sorry if I didn't greet you on your birthday. I was doing some stuff here. But have fun in Philippines. Enjoy. See ya.
Hi, KB. Happy 18th birthday. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate you for reaching an important milestone in your life. And I hope you celebrated and enjoyed your special day to the fullest. So even though we may not be able to graduate with each other this year, I'm still very thankful for the friendship we had during our last year. And I just want to say I hope you're doing well in the Philippines and I wish you the best of luck for all of your future endeavors. So once again, happy 18th birthday, KB! I hope you take care and God bless you.
Hi KB, sending you my best wishes on your special day. I miss you so much and happiest birthday to you. Bye!
Hi KB, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay happy, stay cool, live healthy. As always, have fun in the Philippines and enjoy your birthday.
Hi KB, my inaanak. How are you? How's Philippines? Enjoy. Happy birthday. From Ninang. Wish you all the best. Mag-aral mabuti para sa iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Maging mabait. I hope all your dreams come true. Wish you all good health, happiness, and blessings. Ingat ka palagi, and God bless. Shout out from Kuwait, from your Ninang Connie. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, KB. I wish you would come back so we can hang out at least one more time, but we can't. So anyway, it's okay. But I wish you happy birthday. Please stay safe in Pinas and ingat.
Hi KB, it's Princess. Happy birthday. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and wonderful surprises. Enjoy your day. Enjoy every moment to the fullest. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi KB, I would like to wish you a happy birthday. I would like to thank you for being a good friend to me. Although, yes, we did meet when I was 4, 5, 6 years old. But we never got really close, I guess. But this past few days, weeks, or let's say like a month ago or whatever, we met again. After the pandemic and all. Although we didn't have any communications during the pandemic years, I guess. But I'm so glad that we get to do a short reunion with some friends. So course, yeah. And yeah, I got to know you a little better, and I'm grateful for that. And I guess my wish for you is that you always stay safe. You'll do good with your studies and all, and you'll help your parents too. And I guess that's all I have to say. Happy birthday, KB. I hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, KB. Wish you the best.
It's KB's birthday. Hi, happy birthday, KB. I know we didn't talk a lot back in school or maybe even after school, but I still honestly appreciate you as a person that you are, because you're absolutely amazing. First of all, I really love your attitude. I love how your personality is. It's all set. And you're just that type of girl, okay? I don't want to say this word, but you're that... You know the word. But I wish you a happy birthday so much. I wish you everything that you have, literally. Or like, just have everything that you wanted in your birthday. And I hope that you have a healthy family there and you have things set there, right? That's good. So yeah, have fun in your birthday. I see you around. Maybe we could text and we could see each other in Philippines. Okay, yeah. Anyways, bye. Happy birthday.
Hi KB, happy 18th birthday. I hope that you had fun on your debut and stay safe over there. Take care of yourself. Make sure that you drink lots of water, get enough sleep, make good friends over there, and God bless you and your family.
Happy 18th birthday, KB. I hope you're doing well in the Philippines, and stay safe and have fun. And once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Hello KB, happy 18th birthday. May God bless you and stay safe.
Hey KB, I can't believe you've turned 18. Can you believe that? You've turned 18! That's such a huge milestone. So, in this new chapter of yours, I hope always that you would be able to learn new life lessons and conquer the challenges that you may face in this new chapter of yours and make wonderful memories with those around you, may that be your loved ones or even us, your friends. So, happy birthday to you, KB. See you when I see you.
Hello KB and happy birthday. I wanted to greet you on your special day before I forget. I swear my memory's been getting worse. I actually forgot to record this video like yesterday. I should have. But, I hope you're doing well. I hope he's going great. I just stuttered on the but, good luck in the Philippines, I wish you the best and I pray for your success in the future. I'm really used to using hand signs and whatnot, but that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I wish I could say more, but it's gonna be a short video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Good luck over there. And yeah, goodbye and adieu.
Happy birthday, KB. 18, huh? Sincerely hope you won't get into any legal trouble, if you know what I mean. Kidding aside, I'm proud of you for achieving such a huge milestone. The road ahead is going to be terrifying, but I do hope you'll remember to always rely on your family and your friends. We got your back no matter what. And whenever trouble does come along, please try not to stress too much. We don't want you getting any gray hairs as you grow older each year. Once more, I'm wishing you a happy birthday. Love you!
Happy 18th birthday, KB, and welcome to the majority. You're an adult now, which means you're legally old enough to drive a car. I hope you crash it. Just kidding. Anyways, good luck with your future. Good luck with your studies back in Canada or wherever you are in the world. And I hope you find a cure for your eczema. I hope you're not getting any mosquito bites or anything. And yeah, just enjoy the vibe, even though it's already been past your birthday for like 4 days. But yeah, good luck with everything, and see you never. Oh, see you if ever. Bye bye.
Hey Kiwi, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope this year brings you good memories.
Hey KB, happy 18th birthday. Today I officially stepped into adulthood, and what an exciting journey it is. I just want to take a moment to say how much I'm proud of you, and you have grown into such an incredible person, full of passion, dreams, and a heart of gold. As you embark in this new chapter of your life, remember to chase your dreams, embrace your adventure, and always stay true to yourself. May this year be filled with unforgettable moments, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. Bye!
Hello KB, good morning! Happy birthday! Alam mo ba, na-miss kita mula noon hanggang ngayon. Alam mo, kasi magkasama tayo, matagal tayong magkasama noon. Ngayon pa ako nag-work sa Kuwait. Kasi alam mo na yung anak ng employer ko, matali kayong magkaibigan. Noon, maliit ka pa, lagi kang dinadala ng kapatid ko, yung lola mo si Manang Linda. Noon, sa inaalagaan din kita doon sa kay Madam. Kasi halos araw-araw pumunta kayo doon sa lola mo, si Manang Linda. At alam mo ba, ang napakaganda mo nun. Mataba, maganda. Saka mabait din. Saka yung ano lang, yung problema mo, mayakin ka. Kasi may allergy ka, dami kang allergy. Alam mo, Kibi, lagi mong tandaan na andito lang si Lula, nina mo. Kahit andito ka na sa Pilipinas, andito ako, mag-chat tayo. Pwede ka rin pumunta, magbakasyon dito sa amin. Kasi wala na yung lola mo, si Manang Linda. Ako na lang maghulit sa pangalawang lola, kapatid ng wala na si Manang Linda. Ako na lang yung lola. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog. Ikaw na lang umiintindi kasi Bisaya kasi ako. Kibi, tagal tayong magkasama doon sa Kuwait. Punta tayo sa Sabhan. Doon kasi yung tito mo Ray at saka yung lolo mo si Manong Mario. Minsan doon mahal na mahal ka ng lolo mo, Lola Linda mo, tito Ray mo. Doon, alam mo ba, Kibi, masaya talaga ako pag makapunta ako sa Sabhan kasi maka-relax ako, makasama kayo ni Gabi, kasi maglaro kayo doon, saka relax ako. At alam mo ba, yung turing ko sa iyo, totoo talagang ako kasi ang tagal tayo magkasama doon. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo, birthday sana, labanan mo yung lungkot. Kahit magkalayo kayo, malayo sa Pilipinas, iisipin mo yung future mo. Yung future mo. Mag-pray ka lang na ma-comfort mo yung pangungulila mo sa parents mo, kasi mahiwalay ka sa kanila. Laban lang, Kibi, para sa kinabukasan. Kasi nandoon naman nagsusupport yung mga magulang mo. Pag namimiss mo yung parents mo, yun lang talaga, tawagan mo lang sila at tawagan mo rin ako at magchat-chat tayo. I love you, Kibi. I miss